I get asked a lot about wig grips and why we need them and what's my favorite. I have been wearing wigs for nearly 16 years, and it's only been in the last year that I discovered my holy grail of wig grips, and this is it. This is from the Wig Guru. This is the GripaFix S, and it everything I've ever wanted in a wig grip. It has silicone here, it's got the part, it's got the lace front, it's got silicone on the outside, it's got silicone, a strip of silicone on the inside. Here's the inside, here's the outside. The tag always goes on the outside. And best of all, and this is important for those of us that don't have much of an occipital bone, it doesn't stick out a whole lot. This stretchy little band that's more narrow than they are on the Velcro ones. This made a huge difference for me and my wig grips not sliding up in the back. The reason we wear wig grips in the first place is to keep our wigs secure, keeps them from sliding up all day in the back. I probably wore wigs, I don't know, 5 to 8 years before I even discovered wig grips. So when I discovered them and I started with the Velcro ones, it was a game changer. I still had trouble somewhat though, because that it would slide up because that is too wide for me in the back, and it would slide up over my occipital bone sometimes. And I found that the Velcro ones that are wide as wide in the back as they are up front, they give you a lot of bulk in the back. And I don't like having that bulk under my wig. Some of my, if your wig is borderline fitting too tight, you don't want extra bulk either. This one, because it's so small and so narrow, it stays down under my occipital bone and it doesn't slide up. It doesn't give me any bulk. It is seriously the holy grail of wig grips. So, Wig Guru, and this is the GripaFix S. It's perfect in every way. This is the one you need. I do have a discount code. I'll put it in the caption. I want to make sure I tell you correctly, but you can use it, and I'm telling you, this is it. If you've been looking for something to hold your wig in place that doesn't slide up in the back, you need this one. I promise you won't find one you like better. It's not going anywhere, I promise you. I tested it in Hawaii in 74-mile-an-hour winds, and it didn't budge even a little tiny bit, even though I was terrified to let go. It didn't move. It stayed on, blew me away, literally. So, GripaFix S from the Wig Guru, and your wig isn't going to go anywhere. You're going to feel great about it.